I'm out in the shed today in Maryland, and it's scorching hot. Got a little fan blowing on me, but it's not helping much. Today I'm shooting the Canon EOS R with the Canon 400mm 5.6 prime lens. It's a pretty nice setup. I'm happy with it. Nice sharp photos. So I see some cardinals out here flying around and fighting, and I got a nice shot of a house finch landing on one of my perches out here in the yard. So anyway, I'll go ahead and post them at the end of the video. Appreciate you subscribing, and as usual, thanks for your comments. All right, bye.